Chili time. Chicken chili beans. I'm getting beamed. That's what I was about to say. I've been beamed. That's been beamed.
I don't think so. I think I got.
You spun the camera around.
Oh, wow.
Holy moly.
Holy crud. I haven't
okay. Oh yeah, you can't see.
You got water in? Yeah.
Yeah.
Why did you go so short?
Demon Mouse. Kitty is here. It's fine. I just get it way up. It went the wrong way. I'm sorry. We got wet, didn't we? It's just some peas. That looks like baby poop. Oh no. Oh. It's so bad. Not expecting there to be water in that for some reason.
Oh, yeah. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, almost forgot my glasses.
Did you miss?
No, but
Wow.
I can hit it again.
It sounds good. Oh, this one has batteryless sounds? Good. Am I killing myself now? Maybe a little. That's the battery. That's the battery. How is it in there so good? It's really in there. Ew.
Oh, that's better. That's better.
I said to close your eyes.
I told you to.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do with
Yeah,
it.
just figure something out. Maybe do like a under the leg. Do like a do like a under the leg flip and then
No, that will hurt. Whoa. That was cool.
That was cool.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. Barely missed it. You, they don't have to know that.
No. See? What even? It's a good apple.
Perfect apple in every single way. It's still usable. It's still usable.
Okay, we got. Wait. We got a whole apple here.
Yep. Got it that time.
I'm wet. The first try.